Space travel. For decades, it seemed an impossible dream. Then came Elon Musk, a visionary with an audacious goal to make space travel accessible to all. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX, determined to revolutionize the space industry. His vision to reduce the cost of space travel and enable humans to become a multi-planetary species. SpaceX, from its inception, challenged the status quo. Musk believed in vertical integration, building most of its technology in-house. This approach allowed SpaceX to control costs and accelerate innovation. Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation attracted top engineers and scientists. SpaceX quickly gained a reputation for pushing boundaries. The company faced numerous launch failures, each a costly lesson in spaceflight. SpaceX emerged from Musk's desire to rekindle humanity's passion for space. Founded in 2002, the company aimed to colonize Mars. Musk believed space travel needed to become more affordable and reliable. This drove SpaceX to challenge traditional aerospace practices. One of SpaceX's significant contributions was the Dragon spacecraft. Designed as a reusable spacecraft, Dragon marked a paradigm shift in spaceflight. The Dragon spacecraft became the cornerstone of SpaceX's partnership with NASA. The success of Dragon proved a private company could surpass government agencies in space travel. The Dragon spacecraft embodies SpaceX's commitment to reusability and advanced technology. The cargo version has been instrumental in delivering supplies to the ISS. The Dragon crew capsule represents a leap for commercial space travel. Capable of carrying up to 7 astronauts, it provides a safe means of transport. The capsule's interior features touchscreen controls and advanced life support systems. SpaceX plans to use Dragon for private orbital missions, making space travel accessible. Falcon 9, reusability and revolution. The Falcon 9 rocket stands as a testament to SpaceX's pursuit of reusability. Its first stage is engineered to return to Earth and land vertically. This achievement has significantly reduced the cost of space launches. The Falcon 9's reusability stems from SpaceX's focus on innovation. The successful recovery and reuse of the Falcon 9's first stage have upended the traditional model of expendable rockets. Starship, reaching for Mars and beyond. Starship represents SpaceX's ambition to make humanity a multi-planetary species. Envisioned as a fully reusable transportation system, Starship is designed for destinations beyond Earth. Starship comprises 2 components, Super Heavy and the Starship spacecraft. Both are designed for full reusability, crucial to making space travel more affordable. Starship's cargo capacity will facilitate the transportation of equipment and people for Mars colonization. SpaceX, reshaping the future of space exploration. SpaceX has transformed the landscape of space travel. The Dragon spacecraft and Falcon 9 rocket have shattered barriers. SpaceX's ambitions extend far beyond Earth's orbit. The Starship program aims to establish a permanent human presence on Mars. SpaceX's success has inspired a new generation to dream big. The company continues to push the boundaries of space travel. SpaceX's legacy will inspire generations, solidifying Musk's place in history as a pioneer of space exploration.